Okay, so welcome back. New week, new donation. Thinking to make some donation in your life is one thing, but taking action and really doing the thing is completely different thing. And believe me, it's going to give you the most satisfaction you have in your life. It's better than everything else. It's better than everything else in your life. Listen, go and do something else, okay? What I mean is, go and do something good. Don't wait to become a millionaire. A lot of people saying in my comments, oh Phil, when I have money, I'm going to help you. Oh Phil, when I make a lot of money, I'm going to send you some. No, don't wait for that, okay? You don't need to send me. That's fine. If you want to send me and to support, thank you so much. Link is in the description for the address. But go and you buy the food and just give somebody else. Watch the video to the end and see what I'm doing. And thank you so much for everybody who's helping me. Thank you. God bless. See you.